So today I'm going to talk about Juicy Chemistry products. I always go back to them no matter what. So these are the products that I'm going to talk about, very few of them. I bought them. This is not sponsored. These are honest reviews about these products. Let's get started. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this face wash. So it comes in a nozzle like this and you can pump it out. Pretty runny, watery. It's basically gel-like, good for dry skin also, where it does not take off your natural moisture from your face, from your skin. Let me just put some water and show you. I want to see how it actually performs on my face. I've already made a video on my daytime skincare routine. I'll link it here, you can watch it. There's hardly any foam. It's going to be very gentle on your skin. It has no preservatives, it is cruelty free, it's naturally made. These people have like a proper farm, okay, like an organic farm, and that's where they make all their products, and even they grow their ingredients in that, that farm. These people are properly certified organic. This one has tamanu, kakadu, plum and frankincense. Frankincense is really good for aging. It's an oil basically, and then kakadu plum, gives that glow on your skin. Tamanu oil, which actually helps in lightening your scars and pigmentation. So basically this is really good for damaged and pigmented skin. I've almost finished half of it. It's 100 ml, good quantity because it's organic, and sometimes on discounts you have to grab them. Sometimes they have like 35% off. I just grab all. I think most of the products I got it from that one sale where they had like super great offers. It is like damaged, or I have like some stupid cream or serum ruins my skin, I go back to Juicy Chemistry and then repairs my skin beautifully. One thing that I noticed about this is that if it gets into your eye, it could burn a little, so try to close your eyes and wash your face. But when it cleans like squeaky clean. You can feel your skin like squeaks. Now the next one that I'm talking about is my favorite. I've been using this for almost 3 to 4 years. Rosehip and Helichrysum oil. This is a small pack because I stopped using this because I wanted to try the fully rosehip oil, so I bought that one. So this one my sister's using, so I bought it from her to show you guys. This one is also for scarring and pigmentation. It is lovely for pigmentation. I am telling you, if you regularly use this, be disciplined about your skincare. This is going to work wonders on your pigmentation, I'm telling you. If you have like scars, pigmentation, try using this every night after you moisturize your face and you will see the results. I'm telling you, even your skin will start glowing. Basically more even skin tone. It has a little yellow tinge to it. It's a little thick. All you have to apply is 1 drop. I applied too much. It gives that amazing glow on your face. If you want to try one product from Juicy Chemistry, I would say try this. If you notice, all of the bottles are dark in color, and that's why they're so good in preserving, because these guys don't put preservatives. So that is why they put it in a dark bottle so that it stays a long time. This one has rosehip oil. Like if there's any ingredient that works for pigmentation, scars, I think it's rosehip, because I have tried and tested this. You get even bigger package. This is 10 ml. 30 ml one is usually on discount, sometimes 10%, so you get it for 1200, 1300 bucks. It is a great investment. Even if you're like oily skin, just use 1 drop. Just press it in your skin. And if you're dry skin, then this will be like all the products. Mostly what I'm showing you right now is great for anti-aging and pigmentation. So now the next one that I'm showing you is rosehip oil. This one is cold pressed carrier oil. Okay, so you can use it for mixing in your moisturizer or even use it as a facial oil. So I use it as a facial oil at the end of the skincare routine. These 2 facial oils, I use it in the night. This one is like pretty thick and yellow, but see how rich it is. The glow it gives you at the end of the night, amazing. Look at that. This is the first time I'm trying this cold pressed, but I usually use the Helichrysum and rosehip. I feel like I want to get back to that more than this, because that gave me faster results compared to this one. Another thing is you can also use it as your hair oil. It's really great. What you have to do is just take a little bit and put it in your scalp only, and then leave it for 1 hour and then wash it off. Just because it's an oil, don't think it's not bad for acne. It's great for acne and inflammation. It heals your skin from within. This one, however, is cheaper than the helichrysum and rosehip oil. Another oil that I'm really loving for my day. I have never used a day oil, but this one I really don't mind because of how it is so light on my face, but it gives that glow, and it actually, feels like a moisturizer. You don't really have to apply moisture. And it's the saffron and red raspberry facial oil. It's for day, gives you that nice glow. Now, red raspberry oil is a powerful nutrient in this particular combination. It really helps in repairing your skin, basically, if it is a little damaged, and it gives you that protection from the UV rays. Also, it has a natural SPF in it, so it is great for your day oil. I almost used 3/4 of it. It's not that expensive also. 10 ml, I think you get it for about 500-600 rupees. All you have to do is one drop, put it in your hand and place it on your face, press it in your skin. If you want to know how I used it, then watch it in the daytime skincare routine, which I did. All these products, you will love it if your skin is dry, but even if your skin is oily, it will be amazing. But just make sure you use only 1 or max 2 drops. The glow it gives you is great, but also it repairs, and it actually works. At least it works on my skin, because my skin sometimes, most of the time, it's like oily. Okay, but I still like to use facial oils. Touch wood, I have not got any acne since a long time. I can't even remember. And even if I get it, it heals quickly, not like before how it used to take ages. I can hardly remember when was the last time I got acne. Because of the great products from Juicy Chemistry, I have been using these facial oils. And it also has saffron, so it lightens your scars, pigmentation, makes it saffron. We all know our Indian saffron. When I got a cut here because of my dry skin, because of a stupid serum that I've used, I'll just say it, I used the Garnier Vitamin C serum, and it gave me dry, my skin peeled off, and it just cut my, this part of my skin. And I've been using these Juicy Chemistry products, and it has been healing my skin so fast. Now, the last product that I want to talk about is this great face cream, which is actually not a cream, like a creamy, but it's a balm. I've already spoken about this, I think, before. I just love this tin. It is only 25 grams. But the amount of product you have to use also, it's very little. This much I use on my entire face, and it's enough. So these days what I've been doing is I've been feeling a bit lazy, so I just scoop a little bit, put 1 or 2 drops of that facial oil, mix it and apply it. My skin is like drunk in oils. I even have another backup. Okay, the last product that I want to talk about is this hair oil. Who doesn't know about this? This is the chili horsetail and black seed oil. I have used this since the time I got Botox and Cystina. I stopped using any kind of oils, but before this I have used it on my bald spots here, and I could see the difference. And even my sister, this is my sister's, she's been using it almost this much, 1/4 of it, and there are a lot of hair growing out of her scalp, baby hairs and everything. All you have to do is directly pump it in your scalp, give it a little rub, leave it for 1 hour, 2 hours if you want, and wash it off. Don't sleep in it, because if it gets in your eye, it can burn. So close your eyes when you're shampooing. But it is so effective. I'm telling you, just try it and you will see the difference. But just be patient. At least give it a month. I forgot to show you one more product of Juicy Chemistry, which I really love. I still use it sometimes. It's a scrub, face scrub. I've already made a video. I'll link it here. It's a full review test. You can go and watch it. So that's it. I hope you like this video. I will see you. I'll put all the links in the description box. You can check them out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.